Let's not even waste any more time and let's talk about the 15 things you might not expect or were unaware of that might come in the battery day. Battery day is super close, and these are the 15 things that you might not expect. The density upgrade. Currently, the Model 3 is one of the most efficient cars of Tesla and it sits at 260 watt-hours per kilogram. This might upgrade up to 400 or at least about 320. Even a 25% boost will be a great improvement. Cobalt-free battery cell production. Cobalt is one of the rarest metals and is super expensive to put in batteries, and CATL, a Chinese company, has already made battery production without cobalt, and interestingly Tesla's deal with it, so it might be one of the things that might come up tomorrow. Dry battery electrode production. Currently, batteries are made in what we call a wet process, where a slurry is kind of used to make the batteries and then dry it out, and that's a long process. The Maxwell dry battery electrode process completely eliminates that and dramatically accelerates the process. Supercharger V3. Currently, superchargers V2 are at about 150 kilowatts, which is fast but not as fast. Lucid Air just came up with 350 kilowatt architecture, which is like twice as fast, so we might see an upgrade over there. Tesla currently uses one of the best 400 volt systems but might upgrade to 800 or even 1000 volt systems with more amps, which will together create a very huge bump in the kilowatt number. Energy utility. So we are talking about Tesla connecting to the grid and its batteries providing power to your house and vice versa, but the thing right now is that needs a hardware change. Sandy Munro agrees with that, which means that currently the charger outlets are one way. To get the battery power out of the car, Tesla would need to change the hardware manually, so that might not be around the corner, but let's see. Solar and storage update. Solar and storage is one of the key elements of Tesla and one of the highest factors that are driving the stock prices, because Tesla seems a complete three-way company with consumption and generation and storage. So if we have solved the battery problem, we might see a lot of storage options like the Powerwall, which brings us to the 7th point, a terawatt-hour scale battery production. Currently, Tesla Gigafactories produce between 35 to 50 gigawatt hours per year. Effectively, that's the math needed to pump out 500,000 vehicles every year at a 100 kilowatt average. It's usually less than that, but then some goes into the power pack as well. But going to a terawatt hour scale means we're up 20 times. That's insane. If that happens, Tesla has won the decade. Under $100 per kilowatt hour. In the start of 2017, it costed Tesla $230 to pack 1 kilowatt hour of battery. That came down dramatically to $127 in 2019, and we expect it to go below $100. And if it say reaches $50 to $60 price point, we might see $30,000 Model 3s, which is insane, which I made a video, you might check that out. But this is insane news, every dollar counts. Plaid Model S and X Unveil. Elon Musk kind of tweeted and hinted about the Plaid Model S. We have seen the Nürburgring footages of it, and it's kind of insane. Lucid Air just kind of gave a really nice, tough competition, not in terms of production, but at least the product itself. And a Plaid Model S is what we might need to compete it. Roadster, Semi, and Cyber production update. We have heard that Semi is going into production, but we don't really know when. In Battery Day, Elon Musk might address us on these 3 topics. Man, I'm kind of really waiting for the Roadster. That thing's gonna rip. Get it? Rip ICE engines, bigger battery size. We saw a lot of leaks from Electric that a huge cell is coming. Currently the size is 2170 and that might get bumped to 5498. That's just in millimeters in width and length, and if that happens it will be an insane record. You can check the video down below. The million-mile battery. I'm not really fond of this one. I mean, they already have done it. There's a person who has already touched 750,000 miles, which is insane. Where this might be really effective is the robo-taxi network and utility grid network, because a million-mile battery is essentially cycles. So the more cycling you get out of a battery, the longer it will last. Talking about cycles, battery recycling. So Tesla might reuse batteries, which will cut down costs dramatically. Again, I'm not really counting on that one. Who knows? Silicon nanowire anodes. There was kind of debate going on a couple of days ago about Amprius, the company, which was right besides Tesla, and so it is a silicon nanowire breakthrough, but Elon Musk kind of debunked it, saying that there's no deal, so we might not hear about it, but let's see. The most important part of all, even if none of these happens, Tesla has won. It has shaken the automobile industry out of its roots. Elon Musk is kind of the doom guy, just going and killing everyone. That was about it. Please let me know how was this video down below. Thanks for watching.